else viewed your My Day? Let's see. So first, open your Facebook app. Then click this. Now go to Settings. Now scroll up. Then find this. Now click this Archive button. Now click this. Then click this Settings icon button. Now click this. And click this Who Can See Your Stories button. Now click this Custom button. So these are all your Facebook friends on your Facebook account. So just slide to the side so you can see everyone who is viewing your Facebook My Day story in your Facebook account. By the way, if you want faster steps to see your others on your Facebook My Day, is just go back to your home newsfeed. Now, long press this. Then click this. Then repeat the first steps from earlier. Now you know how to see others' viewers in your Facebook My Day story. So don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. See you again on my next video.